How to make a video with pictures and music in CapCut. So if you want to make a video with pictures and music in your CapCut, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your CapCut application. After opening your CapCut, now you just need simply go with new project, which is on the middle of your screen. After that, you can just simply select your pictures and some videos that you would like to convert to a video. So I'll just simply choose some pictures. Now, after adding your pictures, what you need to do is you just need simply go with add audio, which is on the bottom, and then you can go with sounds, which is on the bottom right, left, and then you can simply add any music that you're comfortable with. After adding the music, you can just simply adjust the music, and I'll crop or remove the excess music. And after that, now if you play this, then as you can see that your images has been converted to a video with music. Now you can go with export, which is on the top right, and that's it. That's how you can make a video with pictures and music in your CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.